peas are away to be harvested. I'm not sure how many there is in total, but they just keep coming. Oh, did you?
I don't know. I did for a wee bit, I was more on the trailers. Because it's a slow harvest, but you need the quantity of peas coming out to keep them fresh.
Oh yeah.
Another two. That will go in the gator. Is there another one? Jeez, oh.
Just fitting up the road and no more. And there's the last one coming in. Just a bit of a tight squeeze down the Ferrum Road. So running back to get the van and the lorry, and then we'll go and drive the gator down and watch what happens. Here, down the corners, vehicles. 2 lorries, 2 trips, a van, and then sign East Coast Viners, peas and broad beans. Oxbow Pluger harvesters. He's done, making a good job hopefully. I'll maybe try and get a trailer starting to come in the field now. They'll be far off and they'll need to unload, I would think. Chicken's on, so he's obviously full. See the first unload of peas. Look at those beautiful peas. He can turn his beacons off now because that's in. And the last viner, it seems to be creating and it's now full as well. And then he can vining again. I think it's called vining or combining. Then the bus goes through the side of it, and then the waste out of the back. wee spit of rain's just starting.